Here we are breaking another box of 2007 Playoff Contenders football. Well, here we go. What are you hoping for here, Kurt?
Anything.
Anything?
I'm hoping for an auto.
Anything
That's
other
for sure.
than
Well,
Johnny
you
Lee.
should get 4 here, so
Contenders screwed up on one box. Trip on it.
That's gonna be yours.
Nothing.
No base.
Cowboy Wayne.
All base. Cowboy Wayne.
Cowboy Wayne.
A lot of base. Hey, you could complete the set with that stuff.
Yeah, I'll pay money for a set. Oh, Brian Leonard, Marsh.
Or Antonio
Dwayne
Pittman
Wright.
and Dwayne Wright.
Close enough.
Oh, they actually got him in a Rams uniform.
Yeah,
now.
no, that's what confused me.
Yeah.
It's not my fault.
No, I don't blame you. I mean, Exquisite should have, or Upper Deck should have, put Antonio Pittman in his, Rams uniform.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh,
Bobby
Bobby
Scipio.
Scipio. Popular guy today.
The man of the hour.
He's like Johnny Lee and other people's, box breaks. Only not a big of a sigh.
Yeah. I didn't sigh when I got it.
Porter, base card.
Base cards, just base cards. Stephon Jackson. Up top.
So we got.
Mason,
Yep, Michael Bush autograph. Not bad. Not bad at all.
Whoosh.
That'll be your first round autograph.
Hmm?
No, that's a second round autograph, isn't it?
Playoff ticket.
Oh, Eric Weddle. Well, that's a rookie.
Whoa,
Should be numbered to
it's a
99,
rookie.
isn't it?
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
It'll be $15.99. You can see that.
That's cool.
Yep.
I think good things. Good future for him.
Good future. Yep. As a Charger, you never know. Those cornerbacks tend to be great second year. We got a Ralph
Carl
Hicks.
Reeves and David Harris.
Daryl Reeves, David Harris. Hey, David Harris, he's going to be good. He's a Jet, but he's going to be good.
Well, yeah, they don't have Velma anymore. Stupid
Hey, I like the Saints.
Oh, I know you do.
You know, our washed-up running back, Mr. Bush. That's okay, because I still love him. Beast.
24 packs.
2 hits to go here.
And 6.
On green, just in case.
Base.
He's going with the base. He's going to be 14 packs with just base in it. On average.
I'm liking the base today.
Pretty good so far.
Base is where it's at. Ace of base.
Pennington.
Tavares Jackson.
T-Jax. No
Got
longer
2
my
hits
homeboy.
left. Got 2 hits left.
A lot of cards left. A lot of cards left.
Great Jennings. Brown. Oh, your boy.
Yeah. Thank God he's with another team.
Another insert.
Center is Michael Griffin.
Oh, that's not bad.
Out of 100.
Ooh.
Oh, the 100? Is it a black insert then?
Yeah.
Not bad.
T.O.
T.O.
It's my quarterback.
Them had all my quarterbacks.
Lewis, Frank Gore, I'm not sure. Ken Keith.
Oh, second Keith. Bobby Scipio and Ken Keith in 2 boxes.
Oh,
Are you kidding me?
What are the odds? Awesome.
Kidding me?
That's good enough to drink with that. Oh my lord. A Kenton Keith.
I'm a Colts player.
I'm a Colts player.
Who knows we got a Colts fan opening this stuff here.
Oh,
Adrian
Peterson. Is that a...
That's out of 1,000.
No.
Not bad. Not bad.
Adrian, that's okay.
Good pull.
Adrian's always good.
You can never go wrong with Mr. Peterson.
All day. All day.
for the next one, but I don't know. I'll say
Still looking for that first rounder. Fishing.
Green, Jacob Austin, Michelle Johnson has more wins.
I don't know. It's a pretty solid box so far.
Brady Quinn was drafted in the first round too. He was a good quarterback.
Garcia, Larry Johnson, Steve McNair.
Dawson.
That's
Bulldog. That's the Colts box.
Well, we got a Colts fan opening here, so there you go.
Horrible.
Not bad. Hey, you could always get a bonus pack
Yeah,
around
no,
here.
well,
So.
you can get an insert auto.
Terry Holt, Bryce Jones-Drew, Tom Brady, and could have been a 1-of-1 right there.
Uh-oh, 1-of-1 championship ticket.
No, some poor sub already pulled that.
Oh, really?
Dang it.
That's why I bought this box.
Championship.
That'd be sweet to pull a TJ Houston's auto 1-of-1 championship ticket.
That's base pack.
Well, no, when you think of championship, you always think the Bears. Come on.
Of course.
And jeez.
Base pack.
Well, we don't insult any of our viewers here.
I don't know, whatever. YouTube, people insult anything anyway.
This is true.
Dan
Oh, nice Dan
Marino,
Marino legendary
legendary.
insert. Looks like a black insert too.
It's out of 100.
Yep, black insert there.
Black.
Nice, very nice.
And
There's your 6 inserts.
hot packs.
Got a few packs left. Most likely going to be all base.
Hot packs right here. Watch out. Oh. Oh.
Oh, 7
Greg
inserts.
Olson and Brandon Merriweather.
7 inserts.
Out of 1 million.
You're supposed to get 6, right?
Well, I don't think the playoff is considered an insert.
It is.
It is?
Got 2 packs left. Most likely base.
Did that last time.
Likely. Most likely.
Another autograph. There we go.
Auto.
Bonus autograph there. Who is that? Chris Davis?
Davis.
Not bad. 5 hits.
See?
You got a bonus and everything in this one.
Jeez,
Bonus
hot
insert,
bag.
bonus
Was I
autograph.
wrong? No. Damn me.
Meh.
Well,
Well,
still not
overview.
5
Well, there we
autos
go.
For a contender
Got a
spot.
Chris Davis autograph,
Not
Bobby
bad.
Scipio autograph, a Michael Bush autograph, a Kenyatta Dawson, and a Kenton Keith autograph. Plus
Colts play.
7 inserts here of a black of Dan Marino, round numbers, Brandon Merriweather, and I believe Greg Olson, Antonio Pittman, and Dwayne Wright. Playoff ticket of Eric Weddle, number /99. A Adrian Peterson insert, that's pretty good. And a black parallel of Chris Henry and Michael Griffin. So, there we go. Thanks for watching.